Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we'll show you how to play music in Discord in mobile. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. First of all, open your Discord and go to your server where you want to play music, and then you have to edit a music bot like green bot. You have to add this bot to your server, and then select a voice channel, click on join voice, and then type here slash play. In this QT box, select your music or type your music. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel and we'll see you guys in the next one.